हाँ.
but then heart attack नहीं आएगा साला, like you flying blind, no?
Yeah. Hey, मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट किया है, so you can have our conversation mid air.
Mid.
It's pretty.
Yeah, I remember. Oh yeah, this is kind of the almost the same time. नहीं, not the same time. हम शायद से हम 5 remember when बैंगलोर से मणिपाल जा रहे थे,
हाँ.
5:15 का फ्लाइट कुछ था, and we reached around what 6 o'clock, and then
हाँ.
अंधेरा होने लग गया था, and
Yeah.
then we went and got the car
हाँ, we reached
and we
very late.
drove.
रुक, अबे
Yeah,
लाइट्स
yeah,
ऑफ है. I realize लाइट्स ऑफ है. रुक. लैंडिंग
we
लाइट्स
drove
should be
drove
off.
through the damn darkness.
हाँ. नहीं, लाइट्स आर ऑन.
Well,
You
लग
see
रहा
the
था
amount
विंडोज
of
खुले हैं तो
controls.
स्पोर्ट की तरफ से. Yeah, what? What about the top? वहाँ पे ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
कहाँ पे?
Equipped PWR supply. Top right.
टॉप राइट. इक्विपमेंट
इतने
पावर
सारे
सप्लाई.
कंट्रोल्स है.
कॉकपिट इक्विपमेंट पावर सप्लाई. These buttons are
उसमें
not
भी
usable.
कंट्रोल्स है.
हाँ, these are
Oh,
usable buttons. I don't want to
what
touch
about the
any of
far
them.
right? Far right, right. On your co-pilot seat.
Those are पता नहीं. Some of them are not usable. Tank settings are there, like fuel tank selection and everything.
Are you telling me this is a two-player game?
It I'm not sure. It has multiplayer, but two player I'm not sure. Oh fucking shit! रुक जा. We're climbing. We're climbing.
Why? Why?
हाँ नहीं, now मैं altitude button दबाया ना, so now it's holding the altitude.
We're climbing massively. हवा निकल जाएगा, ऑक्सीजन मास्क गिरेंगे ऊपर से.
हाँ, और इसमें कभी कभी देख बहुत ज़्यादा एल्टीट्यूड पे इस पे सडनली यहाँ पे ये मास्टर वार्निंग में यहाँ पे आ जाता है कि कॉकपिट ऑक्सीजन लो, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Fuck. Okay.
एंड दिस इज
तो
आउटसाइड
वहां
ऑफ आवर
से
विंडो.
भाई साहब.
नाइस राइट. वेरी कंफर्टेबल.
It's like,
हाँ.
yeah, if they put it on autopilot, why can't the pilots just leave the cockpit and go greet the passengers? That's like, are you having a great, nice flight?
दे कैन, बट वो ज़बरदस्ती हो जाएगा. लाइक व्हाई वुड यू?
Can you speak like a pilot? Can you put on the voice mode for a pilot? Like, good evening. This is
Good evening. So we are on a flight 996 Dragon to Dawoling Airport, and we are gonna land in 17 minutes. And the weather is nice, a little bit cloudy. There's rain, and thank you for flying with us.
I kind of find sometimes if they could speak like Barack Obama and be like, welcome, protect God. Smart and west.
Hey, did you see that
Oh yeah, I
lightning?
see. Yeah, I did. Lower left.
Oh no, sorry, wrong camera angle. जंगल देख नीचे.
वो जंगल नहीं, पानी लग रहा है.
Oh, and there's a city.
City scan.
Oh, oh, I heard that.
Why does this look like a fucking warplane?
Because it is A400M is it's a military plane. But I hear a lot of
If the
lightning.
milit-
I don't see it.
if military people jump from this height,
हाँ.
I'm not sure they're going to dodge lightning down the cloud.
They probably can't. Oh, I saw that.
Yes, me too. You put lightning to the maxolotl.
उस हिसाब से भी कम हो रहा है.
No.
What?
Wonder
How the fuck?
I think is this what happened when pilots go third person view on their on their on their flight, and जब वापस आते हैं it's like what the fuck is that sound? What the fuck is that sound?
नहीं, I realized मैंने throttle 100% पे छोड़ दिया था. And for some reason, as usual, autopilot में there's something wrong, and it is totally ignoring the speed setting.
Well, this is in Tesla.
But let's fly max speed, like possible,
Yeah,
300.
full throttle.
फुल थ्रॉटल में वार्निंग आ जाएगा एंड सडनली प्लेन क्रैश हो जाता है.
Seriously, what the fuck?
हाँ, बिकॉज एयर फ्रेम का स्पीड लिमिट होता है.
यहाँ पे
And
dreadnought
and
चलती है.
beyond, beyond the stress point na, your plane basically turns into a paper plane. Oh, we're
Can
halfway
you?
through.
Oh, okay. Can you go in third person and I'll ask you something.
हाँ.
What is the size of a dreadnought going to be?
कौन सा वाला, डिस्कवरी वाला, द वंस दैट वी आर फ्लाइंग इन रीबर्थ.
Rebirth.
रीबर्थ में
Rebirth.
लेट्स जस्ट से यू कैन park maybe 40-50 of these and there will be a lot of space left.
Show me from the scale of the screen. So if you have a cursor of sorts, if you can do that.
It's hard to say, but as per Star Wars ka lore na, the ship that I have is like 21 or 24 kilometers long.
What about that ugly grass planet?
That's maybe
space that I-
17-18 kilometers.
No, I mean I'm talking about the height. Do you think the height reaches this much? Probably.
Probably not. Maybe max to max kitna, couple of 100 meters.
That's it?
Hmm.
No, it really looks like 100 kilometers. Okay, not 100 kilometers, but at least 2 kilometers.
ना उतना नहीं होगा. I mean, it's not that. It's not a Wagon R.
ये उसका फोरहेड बड़ा है क्या?
पॉजिटिव है. ए आई लाइक, पता है क्या कि दीज क्लाउड्स ऑन द राइट ना, उनके थ्रू सनलाइट पास हो रहा है एंड दे काइंड ऑफ ट्रांसलूसेंट. सी
I like the shades. Yeah.
सी इसमें नीचे देयर इज दिस फॉर्मिंग क्लाउड्स पार्ट. देख राइट टू द क्लोज टू द राइट वाले.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. The locust उगड़ेंगे.
They're literally forming clouds.
Yeah.
Oh! Whoa!
Oh, that was the line.
That was a horizontal lightning.
This cocaine. Wait, सामने receivers खड़े हैं.
Okay. Let's go down.
What are all those hijackers? सामने जो light है?
वो dots छोटे से.
No, the lines छोटे से. You see those things? on your
Those
screen?
are like points of interest. नीचे जाते हैं थोड़ा, रुक. I'll dive.
We're flying above Panjim. You might be able to. Sorry. We are flying over Panjim and.
Oh
it's
shit! Oh crap! It's about to happen.
Flight's about to run out of fuel. You'll be running on gas.
No, this
What is that?
overspeed.
So क्या हुआ? ओवरस्पीड में क्या होता है?
बहुत
Oh,
ज़्यादा
shit,
ओवरस्पीड
you're
करेगा,
running
your wings break in real life. तो थोड़ा सा मैंने रेट ऑफ डिसेंट कम कर दिया. अब मेरा इंजन 0 पे.
You die in game, you die in real life.
Oh no,
Opa.
I've made a very big mistake. हम डिसेंट नहीं किए टाइम पे.
अब डिसेंट कर. Dive.
डाइव करने से तूने देखा ना, वार्निंग आ जाता है.
इतना फिर भी थोड़ा सा एक इंक्लिनेशन थोड़ा कम कर.
You know, I think I'm gonna do a circle.
Okay. I was thinking, what if you dive?
It'll let me dive for 10 seconds, then boom, you crashed.
What
Without
about
hitting the
5
ground. 1, 2,
What is that sound?
overspeed warning. 3, 4,
4.
5.
Five.
That's it. Pull back.
Oh, I hear the sound of struggle.
See, बहुत फास्ट हम नीचे
I
जा रहे
hear.
हैं. Come on, I've stopped.
The moment you come out of that first person view, it starts ringing because oh my god, I see the light.
Your alarm ringing.
Your phone ringing.
Wait, I'm
Pick
gonna
up the
just
phone.
put in a little bit of power while we descend, okay?
Shit, guys, we're heading to Panjim.
Oh shit, I forgot wiper का button कहाँ है?
भाई ड्यू में लेके आ गया क्या?
भाई, we are losing altitude like fucking shit. रुक.
How many meters until?
We are at 64,000 feet and we are steadily losing it.
So how much now? Why are we at
6100.
64,000 feet?
नहीं 60. नहीं नहीं sorry 6100. My bad. I didn't want to scare you, baby.
64,000 feet! Why so many feet? Why are we closing to the sun?
Like playing Discovery. Except there are no annoying people.
What is that band again? Locust wala? Machine head, na?
Machine head, हाँ.
Is there machine head in the plane? Why is it going yellow?
Because we are forming clouds. Now I think we should be able to do it.
I think we are in Discovery at the moment.
It's actually पता है fucking. Oh, why are we going so fast? This is not an Innova.
Why are we going so fast?
So MC, I'm trying to get back on the line.
Yeah. You run your nose over it.
And it's a sharp bank angle, right? So I am losing altitude at a very good rate. So that is kind of going for me.
Okay.
That fucking shit will go off again.
Hold up.
This thing is too fucking fast. Wait.
Wow. It's about to ring again.
Wait, I don't see the fucking I don't see the fucking airport. Oh, metal pipe sound.
वैसे crash होगा.
I don't fucking see the airport. Oh no, I see it.
You're in the clouds. Of course you can't. You're gonna drop in Nandi Hills or something.
Wait. Abhi, I'm going to 3,000 feet. No, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad.
It's just.
I need power. I need power. I need flaps. Flaps are on.
You should ask the woman on board. For the flaps. That'll probably stop the plane because they have huge flaps after all the pounding they've been taking.
Oh, we are very close. Hey, there's a flight on the right. See.
मार दे बिल्कुल मार.
अबे लखनऊ का थोड़ी हूँ.
Oh हाँ तेरा कैमरा एंगल भी सीधा.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, we're going to overshoot. So I've got a crazy idea. How about we go further, take a turn over the sea and come back?
How about you do a backflip? Oh, you can do it actually.
Nah, it's difficult. Speed is too high, too damn high.
But there's lightning. Reduce the volume. I mean, reduce the. What is that sound?
That is the warning system of Airbus.
You can do it. Speed, come kar.
Wait. I am. It is deployed.
300.
Fuck.
100.
Fuck.
50.
Fuck.
20.
Fuck.
I think the gear, of course, the gear did not engage as usual. पता नहीं इस गेम में gears कभी time पे खुलते नहीं है. But we made it.
I did. Your flight has nosedived.
हाँ
Now it's shifting to the left.
हाँ, now the gear is out. See?
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
हाँ, जब लैंड कर लिया उसके बाद.
Nose dove.
Good
Nose
fucking,
dove.
good fucking job, gear. Hey, the sun is setting.
Speaking.
See?
You have to go to Abhirup Bhattacharya.
Get rum from
Makasai
him.
rum. Makasai rum cocktails.
हाँ, but
My friend.
that was a really really good drum. Really good drum. Like dad को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Okay, I'll turn off the
Makasai.
video recording. हाँ, Makadai was really good. Oh, Apple वाला.
I don't want to censor out the names.